normality, you know that normality of a solution, it is the number of gram equivalent of the solute dissolved per liter of the solution. It is denoted by the letter N. Therefore, normality is equal to number of gram equivalents of solute divided by, I am taking volume of solution in liter. So here, what is that number of gram equivalent of a solute? Instead of taking gram molecular mass, where in this normality expression we are taking gram equivalent of a solute. Gram equivalent of solute is equal to number of weight of solute divided by its equivalent weight. That gives gram equivalent weight of solute. So the unit of normality is gram equivalent per liter. Make it more clear, this concentration method too also, it mainly depends upon temperature factor. Why it depends upon the temperature factor means, in the denominator you can see volume of solution is taken. Volume of solution as variation with the temperature, either it may expand or it may contract. The very important thing that one you can notice, what is that one means, while calculating the gram equivalent of a solute, so whatever the given mass of a solute or a weight of a solute, that one you have to divide by equivalent weight. For this, I am taking one simple example. Let us see this statement of the numerical problem. Calculate the normality of solution containing 31.5 gram of oxalic acid, wherein a 1250 milliliter of solution. So to calculate the normality of solution, so the hydrated salt, that is oxalic acid crystals are given, so whose molar mass of oxalic acid, that is equal to 126. You have to add individual atomic mass of all the atoms, that is equal to 126 gram. So coming to the definition or the formula, normality is equal to number of gram equivalent weight of which one you have to take first, solute, divided by the so volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter. This is the formula. And here volume is given in terms of milliliter. That wise you have to multiply by 1000. Before that, now I will calculate number of gram equivalent weight, that is given by weight of the solute divided by equivalent weight. So which is unknown for you, which is the new thing for you? Equivalent weight of oxalic acid. Make it more clear, where in this case equivalent weight of oxalic acid crystals, so that is equal to, so molar mass of the oxalic acid crystal is 126 gram. This one I am dividing by 2. Why I am dividing by 2 means, if you are going to observe very carefully the structure of oxalic acid, COOH, whose basicity of this acid is 2. So you know that while calculating the equivalent weight of any acid, molar mass divided by basicity of that acid. 126 divided by 2, that is equal to 63 gram. Now this is the equivalent weight of the oxalic acid. Now coming to the formula, N is equal to number of gram equivalent weight. Weight of the solute is given 31.5 divided by equivalent weight is 63 whole divided by volume of the solution in liter. So it is not given in liter, it is ml 1250, because if you are taking in terms of ml, you have to multiply by 1000. After substituting all these values, the answer seems to be how much means that is equal to 0.4 normality. 0.4 normality. Like this, you have to go through all these numerical problem.